words, but on vision, dedication, and pursuit of excellence. Each passing year brings new achievements, new milestones, and countless stories of growth that shape the legacy of our school.
The annual day is not just a celebration, it is also a moment of reflection, a time to look back with pride and forward with purpose. This evening, we pause to acknowledge the hard work, faith, and progress that have marked yet another successful year in the journey of St. Paul's School.
To showcase the highlights of this remarkable year, our academic achievements, co-curriculum triumphs, and collective efforts that have strengthened the roots of our institution. We have prepared a special presentation through the voices and experience of our children. You will witness the journey of St. Paul's School in the academic year 2024-2025.
Hello Navni.
Hello Jaina.
Myself Jaina.
And myself Navni. Welcome to the St. Paul School, Kushalgarh.
Every perfect and good gift come from above, coming down from the Father of Heavenly Light.
Welcome to the St. Paul Times, the official student news channel of the St. Paul School, Kushalgarh. Honorable dignitaries, respected Father Manager, respected Sister Principal, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, respected teachers, beloved parents, and all my dear friends, a very warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you.
It is with immense joy and gratitude that we welcome you all to this special occasion. We, the students of St. Paul Secondary School, feel privileged to present the annual report for the academic year 2024 to 2025, a remarkable journey of learning, growth, achievement, and joyful memories. This year has truly been a celebration of excellence, values, and innovation.
This report is not just a record of event, it is the story of our journey. A journey of academic excellence, character formation, discipline, values, and holistic development. Today, we proudly present to you glimpses of our growth in the second home of ours. So sit back, relax, and as we take you through the highlights of an extraordinary year at the St. Paul's Kushalgarh. Good morning, Father.
Good morning, my dear students.
Myself Janam Munawar.
And myself, Navni Gadia.
Before we unfold the highlights of this beautiful return, let us begin with the heart and foundation of our school, in its history, mission, and values that guide us.
For this, we humbly invite our respected manager, Reverend Father Selvin Raj, to enlighten us. So let us begin with our first question.
Father, when was St. Paul's School established and who administers it?
St. Paul School was established on 1st July 2006. It is an unaided minority Christian school owned and administered by the Catholic Diocese Education Society of Udaipur. Our president is Bishop Dev Prasad Ganawar, and the vice president is Father George Chamakala, treasurer is Father Marcus Garacia, and the secretary is Father John Bosco.
Father, what is the main mission of the St. Paul School?
Our mission is to ensure academic excellence, promote skill development, and strengthen character formation founded on the love of God and service to humanity. We take the inspiration from the life and teaching of our Lord.
Father, could you please share the vision of our school?
Our vision is to form young citizens who excel intellectually, morally, socially, and spiritually. Individuals with strong moral values and commitment to God and our country.
Father, what are the key objectives of the St. Paul School?
Our objectives are to nurture the overall development, every child, encourage leadership, and foster creativity and discipline, and build an environment rooted in respect, compassion, and service.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you so much and welcome.
Good evening, sister.
Good evening, dears. Myself, Navni Gadia.
Myself, Janam Munawar.
Today, we are here to ask you some questions about our school. Could you please answer us? Yes. So now let us begin with our first question.
Reverend Sister Principal, how our session started of the year 2024 to 2025?
The new academic session began on 7th April 2024 with warm wishes and prayers from the management and staff. After the summer break, the school reopened on 25th June. On that day, we gratefully acknowledge the dedicated service of Reverend Father Amrit Raj, who served as manager for 5 years in this school. On the same day, we joyfully welcome our new manager, Reverend Father Selvin Raj, who has taken charge with renewed vision. We had a student council election and we celebrated investiture ceremony in a grand manner to honor the students of our peoples.
Thankful is a good institution and running it smoothly requires a good team. So could you please tell us about this Stafford School?
Of course, the true strength of St. Paul's lies in its committed and caring team of educators. We are blessed with 40 qualified, skilled and passionate teachers who work with the dedication to shape young minds. As a successfully running CBSE school in Kushalgarh, we have appointed qualified teachers from different states of India. They are not only ensure academic excellence, but also nurture discipline, values and holistic development. Their teamwork and commitment are the pillars that make our institution stronger every year.
Sister, in today's fast-changing world, staying updated is essential. So, what steps were taken by the school to stay the teachers professionally in reach?
You are absolutely right. A school grows when the teachers grow. That's why St. Paul strongly promotes continuous professional development. Every year, the school organizes staff enrichment and capacity building programs. In the academic year 2024-25, we organized various seminars, including a seminar on child and adolescent psychology on 23rd June 2024 by Reverend Father George Vijay and an orientation program on 21st June 2025 by Mr. Anil Kothari. Along with me, our office staff attended the CBSE induction training program conducted for administrative members at Vyayat Public School, Kanpur. More than 37 teachers participated in CBSE training programs, both online and offline. Teachers also attended inter-school seminars at St. Paul's School in Kushalgarh, Vatidora, Panswara and other institutions. At St. Paul's, we believe when teachers learn, students shine. Their growth is our greatest strength.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Adnan, as you are the head boy of the school, how would you describe the academic strength of our school?
I, Adnan, the head boy of our academic session 2024-25, will honor to present our academic report. Our greatest academic strength lies in the way we learn. Every day, our lessons come alive through smart classes, hand-on activities, subject enrichment project, and helpful remedial classes for students who require special attention. With the personalized guidance of our dedicated teachers, concepts become clear and our confidence grew stronger.
Adnan, what efforts were made this year to improve the communication skills, especially in English?
Throughout the year, we were given many special opportunities to speak in English. Class presentation, school assemblies, and stage programs. It helped us to overcome the hesitation of speaking English.
How did the school help grow in discipline and character?
Discipline in our school was never a punishment. It was a learning process. Through the guidance of our dedicated teachers, we learned that discipline shapes character. They help us to take opportunities and grow step by step.
Steps were taken to strengthen communication skills with the parents.
Our concern of parents were always taken seriously with regular PTMs, phone calls, and personal meetings with our principal. Communication remained open, supportive, and solution-oriented.
Adnan, how did school help our board students of the year 2024-25?
The year 2024-25 class 10 students received exceptional care. Extra classes were held even during Diwali and winter vacation. From October to December, they had chapter-wise tests, continuous assignments, and 3 rounds of pre-board exam. This practice strengthened their concepts, improved their handwriting, paper presenting skills, and prepared them well for the final board examination.
Adnan, could you now tell me about the board result of the session 2024-25?
Yes, we are proud to announce that our board results set a new benchmark. 100% success, 34 distinctions out of 41 students, and excellent subject score like 99, 98, 97.
Adnan, did students participate in CBSE activity outside the classroom?
Yes, of course. We also participate in various CBSE activities and examinations, which broaden our learning beyond books and encourage us to think differently, creatively, and critically.
What support was given to the slow learners?
Slow learners among us receive special attention through after-school support classes, personalized guidance, and regular monitoring. In our school, no child was ever left behind. The child is supported with patience and care.
Adnan, what helped the student to stay consistent and disciplined throughout the year?
Throughout the year, regular assignments, structured revision plans, periodic tests, and meaningful project work kept us disciplined and consistent. This practice helped us develop strong study habits. With heartfelt gratitude to our father, manager, sister principal, teachers, parents, and the entire school leadership, I, Adnan, proudly conclude this academic report, hoping that together we will achieve even higher milestones in the coming years.
Thank you, Adnan.
St. Paul students performed brilliantly at the district level of the year 2024 to 2025. Could you tell us more about the achievements of our district level and state level?
Of course, this year our students participated in district level tournaments in under 14 age and under 17 categories, including athletics, football, volleyball, cricket, basketball, etc. We are proud to say that many of our students were selected for state level tournaments, bringing honor to our school and gaining valuable exposure and experience. Their hard work, discipline, and teamwork lifted the name of St. Paul.
Sport is not just about winning medals. What were the activities conducted in school to promote fitness, teamwork, and discipline among the students?
Yes, you are absolutely right. To promote overall fitness, we conduct regular morning drills, yoga session, and house-wise warm-up drills. This helps in stay active, focus, and discipline. Inter-house competition like football, volleyball, cricket, basketball, kho-kho, kabaddi, relay races, etc. strengthen our team spirit and leadership. Every match taught us courage, cooperation, and sportsmanship values that stayed with us for life.
One of the most impressive events of every year is March Past and Annual Sports Day. How did our school perform of the year 2024 to 2025?
This year, March Past was a matter of great pride. In the Inter-House, March Past Green House won the first prize, Red House secured the second prize, and Yellow House took the third prize. At the Inter-School March Past in Kushalgarh on 26th January 2025, Red House marching team won the third prize, making St. Paul shine once again. Through all these activities, we realized that learning is not only in books, it is in experiences that build our confidence, creativity, leadership, and joy. Annual Sports Day on 21st December 2024 was celebrated with great joy, competitions, trophies, and even an inter-house dance competition. This year, Yellow House proudly lifted the overall sports championship trophy. In every race we ran, every match we played, and every challenge we faced, we discovered the champions within. With pride, I, Jianshu, conclude this sports and house activities report. Thank you.
Arnie, we heard that a new school building was added this year. Could you please tell us more about it?
Absolutely. It is with great pride that I, Arnie of Class 9, presenting the infrastructure report of St. Paul School, highlighting the remarkable developments that have transformed our campus into modern student-centered and future-ready institution. The academic year 2024 to 2025 has truly been a year of growth. Our campus has expanded to support the increasing number of students. A completely new school building was constructed with spacious classrooms providing a better, brighter, and more comfortable learning environment for all of us. Along with this, our school has installed modern CCTV cameras and an upgraded audio system, ensuring safety, discipline, and more smooth communication. We express our heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father Amritraj, whose tireless efforts and dedicated leadership made this development possible. Several other new facilities were added this year.
What new academic facilities were improved this year?
This year, our academic facilities saw major upgrades, like science and mathematics labs were refreshed with latest models, apparatus, and activity-based materials, and so the learning become more exciting and meaningful. Our school has also expanded the library. Our library grew larger and richer with new books. Every class enjoyed the dedicated reading periods, helping us to develop the beautiful habit of reading. Upgraded computer lab has new systems, faster connectivity, and upgraded software turned our computer periods into the real digital learning experiences.
What changes were made for KG students and for sports?
For our tiny tots, a KG play-based classroom was created filled with colors, toys, and learning corners, which made the early education more joyful, active, and child-friendly. For sports lovers, our school has expanded the playground, giving us more space for games, fitness, and other outdoor activities. It encourages us to stay healthy, active, and energetic.
Arnie, before you conclude, could you please tell us about the additional improvement made this year to enhance power supply, classroom comfort, safety measures, and school transportation?
An advanced computer ensures uninterrupted quick power supply. Even during power cuts, our classes and labs continue smoothly. Our school has also improved the classroom furniture with new desks, benches, and storage units, which made our classroom more organized, comfortable, and student-friendly. For enhanced safety measures, our school has installed the modern fire safety equipments across all the blocks. We also had demonstrations to learn the emergency procedures. With increasing strength of students, our school has added 2 new buses on 7th November 2024 and 27th July 2025. This made our daily suffer more convenient. I, Arnie, proudly conclude this infrastructure report with the hope that St. Paul's School will always continue to rise, improve, and inspire the every students in the years ahead.
Thank you, Arnie.
Thank you.
Himanshi, this year our school looked very active and colorful. Could you tell us how co-curricular activities help the students to express their talents?
I am Himanshi, the head girl of our school, and I feel honored to present the report on co-curricular activities, a part of school life where every child gets a chance to shine. This year, creativity truly blossomed across our campus. Every corner of our school became a space for imagination, expression, leadership, and joyful learning. From vibrant art to soulful music, from graceful dance to powerful drama, from confident speeches to inspiring project works, we received countless opportunities to explore our talents and passions. Our kindergarten children enjoyed a colorful and playful world of learning through activities like Color Day, identifying emotions, alphabet day, mirror imitation, clay molding, touch and find games, letter ball pickup, music and move activities, and joyful Saturday learning sessions. Every day brought curiosity, discovery, and fun. For our primary and higher classes, we had a special no-bag day filled with engaging and exciting games and competitions like fancy dress, solo singing, solo dance, speeches, Rakhi and greeting card making, best of paste, creative advertisement, and tongue twister challenges. These activities help us grow in confidence and expressions. One of the most beautiful highlights of the year was our theme-based assemblies. Every week, our classes presented themes such as gratitude, unity, discipline, kindness, patriotism, health and hygiene, environmental care, honesty, and mental health awareness through speeches, drama, dialogue, dance, and more. This assembly shaped our character and taught us to perform, speak, and lead with purpose. Through all these activities, we realized that learning is not only in books, it is in experiences that build our confidence, creativity, leadership, and joy.
The house system is the big part of student leadership. How did the houses work this year?
Our houses gave us a wonderful opportunity to learn leadership, teamwork, discipline, and responsibility. Our school has 4 houses. Red House.
I am the house captain of Red House.
Green House.
The house captain of Green House.
Blue House. And Yellow House.
Captain of Yellow House.
Each house is led by a house captain, vice captain, and secretaries for discipline, language, sports, and culture. We had our own democratic elections where we voted for our leaders just like a responsible citizens. Our houses took part in parade training, discipline duty, maintaining cleanliness, presenting weekly assemblies. Through this responsibility, we learned teamwork, leadership, and respect for others.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rusty, your Eco Club leader, lot of meaningful activities this year. What are the major activities conducted by Eco Club this year?
Our Eco Club inspired us to love nature and protect our environment. We planted saplings across the school campus under the message, "One child, one tree." We also organized an awareness program on plantation and environmental protection, encouraged everyone to reduce waste and protect greenery. Our Eco Club students cleaned the school campus, reminding all of us to keep our surroundings beautiful. We also observed World Environment Day and conducted a no plastic awareness programs during assemblies.
Thank you, Dusty.
Thank you. The Red Cross team was very active this year. Could you please tell about the activities that Red Cross participated in?
As the Red Cross volunteers, we visited the government hospital where we learned about its various departments and the selfless service of doctors and nurses. We were trained in basic first aid, patient care and compassion. We also proudly participate in Independence Day and Republic Day parade organized by the Nagarpalika of Kushalgarh and received an award of honor for our March Past.
Thank you, Dhruvi.
Welcome.
Aryan, many students are curious about Scout and Guide. What kind of training and program did you attend this year?
Our Scout and Guide students regularly attend parade session and training programs that strengthen our discipline, teamwork and survival skills. We organized an awareness program on the importance of planting trees and actively supported school cleanliness drive. We also took part in outdoor training programs that boosted our courage and confidence. This year our St. Paul's Scouts and Guides received a wonderful opportunity to participate in the state level training camp organized by the government of Rajasthan at the local association Kushalgarh, district Baswara from 3rd November 2025 to 7th November 2025. In this camp, 9 scouts and 4 guides from our school enthusiastically took part. During the 5-day program, we were trained in the roles.
Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one like you.
A true reflection of commitment, teamwork, and excellence that defines St. Paul's. May each new year continue to bring us to the shared vision of education, rooted in values and guided by faith.
Indeed, every tree is the very soul of the earth, and without that soul, life itself would wither away. As we watch this performance, let us remember back that we share this planet not only with humans, but with countless living beings who call it home.
Here comes our little ones from LKG to share this message through their touching dance drama, lovingly trained and guided by Ma'am Jyoti Damor and Ma'am Khushbu.
अब हम इंसान इस धरती पर आराम से रह सकते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास बिल्डिंग्स है, फैक्ट्रीज है, मॉल्स है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स है। हा 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 हा। अब मैं ये सब ट्री कट करके यहाँ पर हाईवे बनाऊंगा।
I give you fruits. I am a tree.
I give you medicine. I am a tree. I give you oxygen. I am a tree. I give you environment.
Khushbu for nurturing this beautiful act, and to our little environmental heroes for reminding us to love and protect our trees.
To the world, the land is just a soil, but to the farmer it is a heartbeat. How profoundly true these words are, for within the quiet rhythm of farmers' daily labor lies the pulse of our nation. It is through their unwavering dedication that every home receives nourishment and every field blossoms with promise.
Indeed, our farmers are the true heroes of the soil. They sow with patience, toil with courage, and reap with faith. Yet in the rush of modern life, sometimes we forgot to honor them for their sacrifices and the sweat behind every grain we eat.
Let this performance remind us to value their labor and bow in gratitude to those hands that truly feed our nation. Our students of Class 1 are here to present a heartfelt tribute to farmers, lovingly trained and guided by Ma'am Reshma and Ma'am Himanshi.
जूस की दुकान पर संतरे सजे नहीं होते, तुम ना होते तो त्योहार सूखे रह जाते, बाकी तो छोड़ो, शायद भगवान भी भूखे रह जाते। किसान तुम न होते तो कसम से हम न होते।
बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ, कोई हमसे जीत न पावे, चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे, चले चलो कल घोर अंधेरा छावे, चले चलो कोई राह में ना थम जावे, चले चलो टूट गई उंगली मुट्ठी, पांचों मिली बन गई मुट्ठी, एक बढ़ता ही जावे, चले चलो कोई कितना भी बहकावे, चले चलो।
मेरे पैसे कब दोगे साहब? इस बार ना ही बारिश हुई है ना ही फसल उगी है, मुझे थोड़ा और समय दे दो। मैं कुछ नहीं जानता, अगले 15 दिन में मुझे तेरे पैसे नहीं मिले तो मैं तुम्हारी जमीन बेच दूंगा। अरे रुको भाई, ये क्या कर रहे थे तुम? हैं? बावले हो गए क्या? हैं? क्या हुआ? क्या परेशानी है? घर में झगड़ा हो गया? हैं? अरे बोलो कुछ।
नसीबों वाला था, मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूं मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है, तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा दिल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
मैं क्या करूं? मेरे सामने सारे रास्ते बंद हैं, कोई रास्ता नहीं है इसके सिवा। अरे सरकार है, बैंक है, किस सरकार की बात कर रहे हो तुम? कोई सूद लेने वाला नहीं है, इस गरीब के साथ कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है कि हम कैसे जी रहे हैं, क्या खा रहे हैं, क्या नहीं खा रहे हैं, भूखे पेट है हमारे बच्चे कैसे जी रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं कि नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, हमारे बेटियों की शादी हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है, हमारे बूढ़े माँ बाप की क्या हालत है, कभी कोई पूछने वाला नहीं। क्या करेगा एक किसान, क्या करेगा? हमारे लिए तो बस यही एक रास्ता बचता है ना।
चमक चमक देखो बिजुलियां चमके, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा। काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ, काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ, बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ, मेघा छाए बरखा लाए, गिर गिर आए गिर के आए, नहीं मन मचल मचल, नहीं चल संभल संभल, गए दिन बदल तू घर से निकल, बरसने वाला के दिन बीत गए भैया मलहार सुनाओ, चमक तुझे बदरा के डंके, चमक चमक देखो बिजुलियां चमके, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा। वक्त की धूप में ये बदन जल जाए तो क्या, मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ है, किस्मत दूंगा अपनी बदल, मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ है, किस्मत दूंगा अपनी बदल। चल चल रे यार वे चल, चल चल रे यार वे चल,
Performers.
A sincere word of appreciation to Ma'am Reshma and Ma'am Himanshi for their dedicated guidance and creative effort, and to our class 1 students for honoring the hands that truly feed our nation.
Every great occasion is graced, not only by celebration, but by the wisdom and inspiration those who lead by example. This evening, we are truly privileged to have with us a personality whose life continues to inspire excellent service and vision. Our chief guest, Mr. Ramila Khadia, MLA of Kushalgarh, stands as the beacon of dedication and achievement, a true example of how knowledge, humility and perseverance can shape a better society. Your presence here today, ma'am, adds immense value and honor to this celebration. Esteemed gathering, please join us in extending a warm round of applause as we invite our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Ramila Khadia, to address the gathering and share a few words of wisdom.
आज के इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित परम आदरणीय पीसीसी सदस्य हसमुख सेठ साहब, हमारे कुशलगढ़ के लोक अध्यक्ष जी, हमारे घाटा क्षेत्र के मंडल अध्यक्ष जी, परम आदरणीय राकेश जी, हमारे दूर दराज से आए हुए फादर जी, हमारे जनपद साहब विजय सिंह जी, मंडल अध्यक्ष जी हमारे गुरुजी भाई, और तमाम यहाँ हमारे फादर गण, सिस्टर गण और महंगे मेहमान आए हुए माताएं, बहनें, अभिभावक, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे, सभी का इस कार्यक्रम में मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत और अभिनंदन करती हूँ। जिस तरह से आज इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों ने भाग लिया, हर कार्यक्रम में इन्होंने ये संदेश दिया है, हमको क्या खाने से हमको क्या लाभ है, क्या नहीं खाने से हमको क्या लाभ है। हमारे किसान भाई आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं। ये कार्यक्रम में 5 साल के बच्चे, 6 साल के बच्चों ने सामने हम बैठे हुए इनको ये संदेश, इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से उन्होंने संदेश और हमको समझने का अवसर उन्होंने दिया है। मैं इन टीचर को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि आज नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे, इन बच्चों ने आज तैयारी करके, हम तो हमारे बच्चों को सुबह उठा के भेज देते हैं, पर पढ़ाई के साथ साथ ये कार्यक्रम जो तैयारी कराई और ये कार्यक्रम कराया, इन टीचरों को मैं मेरी ओर से, मेरे परिवार की ओर से, मेरे विधानसभा की ओर से मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि हमारा देश का भविष्य, ये देश, ये नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे, ये हमारा कुशलगढ़ का नाम रोशन करेंगे। ये बच्चे हमारे कहीं न कहीं सेंट पॉल स्कूल का नाम रोशन करेंगे। इन अभिभावकों को जिनके बच्चे हैं, इनका नाम रोशन करेंगे। सबसे पहले ये बच्चे हैं, हम जिस तरह से मटकी के रूप में इन बच्चों को हम बेचते हैं, तो जिस मटकी को हम अच्छी तरह से तैयार करके इसको रंगीन बनाते हैं, इसी तरह से आज बच्चों ने हमारे सामने ये अच्छे अच्छे नृत्य पेश किए हैं। मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं कहते हुए, क्योंकि बच्चे भी कब से तैयारी करके और दूर दराज से हमारे सभी अभिभावक आए हुए हैं, इनको जाना भी है। मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जिस तरह से आज जो संदेश जो हमको मिला है, इसको कि किसान वास्तविक जो आज अभी बच्चे नृत्य कर रहे थे, कि भाई किसान को जब हल चलाता है तो ये किसान जब तक हमको ये किसान नहीं हो तो हमको अन्नदाता कौन देगा। तो इस तरह से हमारे बच्चों ने ये कहा और ये बताया कि भाई पानी इस साल तो ज़्यादा गिरा है, उस समय कहीं न कहीं किसान परेशान है, अभी खाद नहीं मिल रहा है तो किसान कहीं न कहीं परेशान है। ये संदेश हमको दिया है। तो ये मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जिस तरह से आज नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों ने हमको ये सीखने का और समझने का अवसर जो दिया है, इन बच्चों को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। इन अभिभावकों को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। इन टीचरों को सभी को मैं मेरी ओर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
And reminded us that success is born from sincerity, perseverance and faith. Your presence carrying on. Your message has truly touched our heart and reminded us that success is born from sincerity, perseverance and faith. Your presence today has not only honored this occasion but has also ignited a fresh spark of motivation in every student gathered here. We remain ever grateful for your time, guidance and encouragement. Now, with great pleasure, we invite our Father Manager and Sister Principal to honor our chief guest. As a gesture of our profound respect, we present three symbolic offerings: a sapling symbolizing life, growth and hope, a shawl representing dignity, warmth and honor, a memento, a lasting token of our heartfelt appreciation for their gracious presence. Thank you, ma'am, Father Manager and Sister Principal for graciously bestowing this honor.
तीसरा, पानी, जो अपने भीतर कितनी तरंग रखता है, जिस समय से मिलता है वही का भाव रखता है। 70% पृथ्वी का भाग मैं ही तो हूँ, मैं जीवों के लिए अमृत समान हूँ।
बनाएंगे हरी हरी अम्बी
चिल्ला रही हो? कोई सारा दिन तो टंकी पर चढ़कर बैठा नहीं रह सकता ना? नहीं, आप वॉल क्लॉक क्यों नहीं लगाती? इससे आपको पता चले कि टंकी ओवरफ्लो हो गई है। अरे बस बस, अपनी ये सलाह अपने ही पास रहने दो, किसी और को जाके देना, मुझे बहुत सारे काम हैं।
कोई मेरी बात सुनना ही नहीं चाहता, कोई समझना ही नहीं चाहता। बंद करो ये बर्बादी। क्या इस पर कोई विचार नहीं कर सकता?
आज 2050वें वर्ष में मेरी बूंद बूंद के लिए त्राही त्राही मची है। मेरा अस्तित्व खतरे में है।
माँ, आप कहाँ हो? चाबी कहाँ है?
अरे क्या हुआ? क्यों इतनी जोर से चिल्ला रही हो?
बड़ी जोर से प्यास लगी है माँ, अलमारी की चाबी दो, मुझे पानी पीना है।
उठो बेटी, स्कूल के लिए लेट हो जाएगा। आज पानी की बंदी वाला भी नहीं आया। आज एक बोतल ही बची है, अब इसी से काम चलाना पड़ेगा।
तो क्या आज मुंह भी नहीं धो पाऊंगी?
अरे क्यों नहीं धो पाओगी? ये स्प्रे है ना, अभी तुम्हारा मुंह चकाचक कर देती हूँ।
संभाल के धरती का पानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हो तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हो तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। खुद को बचाना है तो ना करे नादानी, पानी जिंदगानी,
Our young performers beautifully portrayed both the purity and pain of our water bodies.
A heartfelt thank you to Ma'am Adipa and Ma'am Jyoti Bengra for their thoughtful guidance and creative direction, and to our class 2nd students for reminding us that every drop of water is a drop of life.